Hi, I'm John from Mission Lean, and today we're going to talk about one nutrition hack that can help get you more lean, fit, and achieve your fitness goals. Eating healthy food is a must if you want to experience a full body transformation and benefit from lean muscle gains. It's about making small, sustainable changes in your life that will get you the best results over the long run. Training a little harder in your next workout, eating an apple for a snack one day instead of a candy bar, and finally, preparing just one extra meal at home each week. Start this week. If you were planning on getting takeout one night or going out to dinner, stop by the grocery store on your way home and pick up some fresh veggies, healthy grains, buckwheat or brown rice, avocado, and some wild fish or chicken breast. Know that you are investing in yourself and your lean body progress. When you do this one week, you will start to build momentum. Maybe the following week you will prepare 2 meals at home instead of 1, and the chain reaction goes on. To lose belly fat and get those six-pack abs, it's about making small steps towards your goal. You can blast fat in your workout and in the kitchen. And when you combine the two, you're unstoppable. The simplest philosophies work the best. Eat clean, prepare your meals at home, and start small. If you need some extra guidance, Mission Lean gives you the direction and motivation to reach your peak, but you still need to pay attention to the details. It's all about the details. There's no getting around it. Read the food labels to make sure there's no unnecessary added sugar. Choose your ingredients carefully so that you have the best tasting meal, and so on. You can do it. Just one extra meal at home this week, and let's see where it takes you. Mission Lean. Now that you know all about this lean lifestyle hack, try planning and cooking your meals with our app Mission Lean, which is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Also, you can check out our free nutrition ebook on missionlean.com. Let me know what you thought of the video by commenting below and giving the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the site for even more free resources, recipes, and workouts. And of course, download our app Mission Lean from the App Store if you want to get started right away.